products are fabulous, but they're not the answer to aging gracefully. It's about what you're eating and the lifestyle that you're living. The best items to cook with and how to cook are always like Mother Nature's offering. If you're gonna invest in one product, get a microplane, it's a life changer. You can grate ginger, you can grate garlic on it. Apple cider vinegar. It'll help to boost your immunity also, and it can help to aid in digestion. Avocado, because this is the best fat in the world. Yes, it's true, I eat up to 3 a day. The mono-unsaturated fat in the avos is great for your hair, skin, and nails. We said that your hands are the best utensil for cooking. 3 things you're looking for when you're cooking down an onion: translucent, fragrant, soft. About 10 minutes. I think it's not about dieting, it's about eating really well.